Let us go for the definition of arithmetic progression, that is AP. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. That means we can get the second term by adding a fixed number with first term, and the third term can be get by adding a fixed number with second term, and like that. Here the fixed number is called common difference of the AP, which is generally denoted by small letter d. It can be positive or negative or zero. Now let us go with some examples for AP. The first example is 5,000, 5,500, 6,000 up to 8,500. Here the first term can be denoted by small letter a or small letter a1, which is 5,000 here. And the common difference can be calculated by subtracting the first term from second term or third term from second term from third term, like that. So the common difference in this progression is 500. In the second example, the progression is 5,000, 4,800, 4,600 up to 3,000. Here the first term is 5,000 and the common difference is equal to 4,800 minus 5,000 or 4,600 minus 4,800. Like that, we have the common difference minus 200 here. In the third example, the progression is 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 up to 10. Here the first term is 3 by 2 and the common difference can be calculated by subtracting the first term from the second term, or second term is subtracted from third term. Like this, we have the common difference half here. In the in the last example, the progression is 0.2, 0, minus 0.2, minus 0.4 up to minus 2. Here the first term is 0.2 and the common difference D is 0 minus 0.2 or minus 0.2 minus 0 or minus 0.4 minus of minus 0.2. That means minus 0.4 plus 0.4, 0.2. That means the common difference is minus 0.2 here. Now let us discuss the types of AP. If an AP has a finite number of terms, then it is called finite AP. These finite AP do have a last term. For example, 6, 11, 16 up to 66. Here the common difference is 5 and the last term is also there, that is 66. In the second example, we have minus 23, minus 20 up to 10. Here the common difference is minus 20 minus of minus 23, that means plus 3, and the last term is 10. So this is an example for finite AP. The second type of AP is infinite AP. An AP which do not has a finite number of terms is called infinite AP. These do not have last term. That means in this type of AP we have infinite number of terms. For example, 6, 11, 16, even though it has a common difference of 5, it is a infinite because we do not have the last term here. In the second example, minus 23, minus 20, dash, 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 that means here the common difference is minus 20, minus of minus 23, that means plus 3, but the common last term is not here, so it is an example for infinite AP. Next, we have a general form of AP. That means if the first term is small a and the common difference is D, generally we can express the arithmetic progression, that means in the standard form, that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Here A plus D minus A means small letter d. Here A plus 2D minus A plus D. Here we have the common difference of D. And here we have a difference of D. A plus 3D minus A plus 2D. That means A get cancelled. And 3D minus 2D means D. So it is a general form of AP with small letter a as a first term and the common difference small d. We can also have some AP in the form a minus d, a minus 2d dash dash dash. Here the first term is small a and the common difference is minus d. We can have another AP in the form of a minus d, a plus d dash dash dash. Here the first term is a minus d and the common difference is plus d. In the third example, we have a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. This is also an AP with first term a minus 3d and the common difference is plus 2d here.